Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the first derivative of this one. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Before doing first derivative, we need to change this one. So we have cosine 2a equals to 1 minus 2 sine a square and 2 cosine a square minus 1. So this one, that is about 2 multiplied by s over 2. Similar for this one. So cosine 2 with s over 2. So s over 2, that is about capital A. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And this one into this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. 1 minus 1 we cancel. Negative and negative, we have positive. So 2 divided by 2. The square root, we cancel the power 2 in here. And we know that this is about cosine s over 2. Now we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of a, and cosine a we change by negative cosecant of a square. Now we can apply the formula in here. This one we have 1 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.